Hold on to your seats because Michael Burry is back, shaking up the stock market in mind-blowing ways. Yes, the financial genius who predicted the 2008 crash, as portrayed in The Big Short, is making bold, secretive stock buys that have Wall Street buzzing. What's he up to, and how could it impact your financial future? Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. This isn't just another market story. It's a thrilling saga of high-risk investments and strategic genius. Burry's latest spree could be the treasure map to boosting your retirement fund. Curious about his mysterious stock picks? Dive in and discover the secrets behind his daring moves. Your financial future might just thank you. Burry's reputation as a financial seer and his fearless, often contrarian investment style make his moves particularly intriguing. He's the guy who predicted the 2008 crash while everyone else was riding the bubble. His approach? Meticulous research, an eye for undervalued assets, and the guts to go against the grain. So what's the financial wizard Michael Burry up to now? Picture this. Burry Scion Asset Management is on a shopping spree, and the cart is loaded with bank stocks like it's a Black Friday sale. Known for his knack for spotting market anomalies and his fearless contrarian approach, Burry's moves are always worth watching. Here's the rundown of Burry's latest stock picks that have Wall Street buzzing. At number 1, we have New York Community Bancorp. Burry snapped up shares like they were the hottest new tech gadget. This bank has been expanding faster than a viral TikTok dance, with solid loans, deposits, and a net interest margin that makes investors swoon. Oh, and did we mention the stock is up 27.9% this year? Talk about a love story. At number 2, we have PacWest Bancorp. Imagine a comeback story straight out of a sports movie. PacWest had a rough patch, losing $1 billion in a quarter and watching its stock nosedive. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, the stock rebounded 16.9% recently, thanks to some savvy strategic moves. At number 3, we have Huntington Bank shares. Despite a share price drop, Huntington's got solid loan and deposit balances, driving organic growth. Think of it as a bank with a plan, making strategic acquisitions to expand its footprint. It's like watching a savvy shopper grabbing deals at a clearance sale. At number 4, we have First Republic Bank. This one's all about private banking and wealth management. Despite some recent turbulence and a takeover by JP Morgan Chase, Burry sees potential here. It's like investing in a vintage car, classic, with a lot of hidden value. At number 5, we have Western Alliance Bank Corporation. Burry's got 125,000 shares in this one. Even with some market pressure, Western Alliance is cruising along with stable deposits and promising asset sales. It's the roller coaster stock that Burry is loving every twist and turn off. At number 6, we have Wells Fargo. Despite its past regulatory hiccups, Burry is betting on this banking giant. Wells Fargo is like that resilient friend who always bounces back no matter what life throws at them. And number 7, Capital One Financial. Last but not least, Burry dipped into Capital One. This company has been in the credit card game for decades, and Burry sees it as undervalued. It's like finding a hidden gem at a garage sale, tons of potential just waiting to be realized. Now let's talk about the cherry on top of Burry's investment sundae, dividend income. Not only is Burry snapping up bank stocks like a kid in a candy store, but he's also set to rake in some serious cash from these investments. Picture this. Burry's banking stocks are expected to yield nearly $1.02 million in annual dividends. That's right, folks. He's earning more in dividends than most of us dream of winning in the lottery. For starters, his investment in New York company Bancorp is particularly lucrative. With a 6.4% annual dividend and 850,000 shares, Burry is looking at a cool $578,000 in dividends. It's like finding a golden egg in your Easter basket. Then, there's Huntington Bank shares, where 184,900 shares will net him around $110,940 in dividends. A nice little bonus check from your favorite uncle. Western Alliance Bank Corporation is another gem in Burry's portfolio. With 125,000 shares, he's set for $180,000 in dividend income, akin to hitting the jackpot at a high-stakes poker game. And let's not forget Wells Fargo. Despite its past regulatory hiccups, Burry's 125,000 shares are adding up to $150,000 in dividends, paying out like a reliable old slot machine. Sum it all up, and Burry's sitting on nearly $1.02 million in annual dividends. That's what we call making your money work for you. While we're busy counting pennies, Burry's cashing in on the dividends from his strategic bank stock picks. With his sharp eye for investment and his knack for spotting lucrative opportunities, this dividend income is just another testament to his financial genius. Burry's investment playbook isn't limited to domestic picks. He's expanding his horizons to include Chinese tech and e-commerce giants like Alibaba and JD.com. While other hedge funds might be playing it safe, Burry's bold move into these stocks shows his confidence in their long-term potential. Despite the challenges facing Chinese stocks, including economic uncertainties and geopolitical tensions with the US, Burry sees opportunity where others see risk. It's a classic case of going against the crowd and betting on the underdog, with the potential for lucrative rewards. As the global market landscape continues to evolve, Burry's strategic foray into Chinese tech stocks adds an exciting new dimension to his investment portfolio. Will his contrarian approach pay off in the end? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Burry's willingness to take calculated risks is what sets him apart in the world of finance. Burry's unique approach shows his knack for finding opportunities in challenging situations, making him a pioneer in global investing. While others might hesitate to invest in Chinese stocks due to uncertainties, Burry sees their long-term potential. His ability to go against the norm, like a leader charting a new path, highlights his foresight in navigating the ever-changing world of finance. Burry's courage to take risks inspires us to trust our instincts and seek opportunities, even when the odds seem stacked against us. In a world where financial markets can seem unpredictable and daunting, Michael Burry's bold moves remind us that opportunities exist where others see challenges. Whether it's diving into bank stocks or venturing into international markets, Burry's willingness to go against the grain serves as valuable lessons for investors. Trust your instincts, do your research, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. As we wrap up our journey through the exciting world of Michael Burry's investment adventures, one thing is clear. The only constant in the financial world is change. Whether Burry's moves lead to triumph or tribulation, his fearless approach to investing serves as inspiration for all of us navigating the twists and turns of the market. So as we bid adieu to this chapter, let's remember to keep our eyes open for opportunities. Stay vigilant in our research and embrace the thrill of the ride. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on our following videos. Until next time, happy investing!